Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some paintings to share with you today from DPClubs. Now these were actually chosen by some new diamond painters. So one of the teachers that Megan works with, her children have really got into diamond painting. So I gave them the website of DPClubs and told them to go have a look-see. So I'm going to get these unboxed so that you can see them too before I pass them on to them. Very good choice of images. We do of course have a boy in the mix. We have a boy in the mix, but this one is one I have done some very, very similar, if not the same type of image before. It is the football with sort of the flame and the water around it. It is a round. It's a 30 by 30, which has an image size of 25 by 25. Now this one actually has other branding on the diamonds, but we have a toolkit. Okay, 23 different colours, a nice mix. We've got some pale colours, we've of course got some darker colours. We do have a chunk of 310, but not too many. Looks like it's number 3, which is mainly around this outside and a little bit on the spots. We've got some blues, burgundies, reds, peaches, greys, nice bright yellows and oranges as well, reds, beautiful different colours there. This is quite good timing as well, because while it's not quite half term where we are, it's very close. It's about a week off, so they can start doing a little bit of these and then keep them busy during half term. So yeah, first choice was a football. Then I'll go for the other smaller one next. So this one again is a 30 by 30. This one is a beautiful eye. Very, very pretty. It's always like there's a spider's web design. So this one has 21 different colours. Again, it is in a round. They are new diamond painters, these kids, but apparently they have been absolutely loving it. But so's the mum. I did actually pass a painting on to mum that she could not let the kids have. So this one is also 25 by 25 centimetres. This one actually comes with the small packet diamonds, but we've definitely got a gorgeous peachy theme. Peachy orangey colour theme going on here, with of course a bit of pink as well. I'll sort of open them up this way because the small packs of diamonds. We have got some purple. You can see we have got sort of some purple and blue here. Peach, a little bit more purple, some gorgeous pink colours, but then some gorgeous orange and coral colours and red colours as well, with another bit of hot pink mixed in there. So that is painting number 2. And then the third choice is a bit bigger. This one is a 60 by 40. I wonder if they realise how big this one is, or they just went for the image that they like. But it will definitely keep them busy for a while. Absolutely gorgeous. But this one is a 60 by 40. They do all come with toolkits, though of course I have sorted them out with some trays. But look at those gorgeous little penguins. I like the fact they've picked nice colourful ones. They are fun to do. So we have 24 colours on this one. It is again round. And I think I'd be happy doing any of these, to be fair. It is 35 centimetres by about 54.5. Maybe once it's straightened out, yeah, when it's straightened out, it might reach to 55 centimetres for this one. But yeah, we've got some beautiful penguins, beautiful sunset sort of shining off the penguins' bellies as well. And these are the colours. This one comes in baggies. That blue, it's gorgeous. But we've got some beautiful pinks, purples, yellows, all quite nice bright colours. Darkest colour on this one is 939, and there is some 550. So it's your 939 that makes up the penguins, which can have, I mean, it's really dark blue. It can have the look of black, even though it's not black. But isn't that stunning? I think they've made excellent choices. And I do really hope that they enjoy doing these. So I will pop links to each of them down below so that you can check them out for yourself, especially if you want any half-term entertainment, because here in the UK, as far as I know, it is supposed to rain. So indoor projects for the win, or maybe even just some Christmas stocking sort of ideas for all the crafty people in your family that you know. Yeah, really nice choices. So I will get these passed on to them, but thank you all ever so much for watching. I'll pop the links to DPClubs down below for each of these, or you can just go and have a browse and see what takes your fancy as a nice little fun project at a very reasonable price. But I'll speak to you all again soon.